Spring is in the air for our traders today, and that includes Alan Knuckman, the Chief Market Strategist for St. Paul Research. Hello to you, Alan.
Hey, Angie, some people are talking about a stock stall for now, but I don't think so. We're only 1 week away from the all-time forever record. The S&P got within 10 points of that 4,000 point target that we've been talking about for a long, long time.
How are your trades coming along, Alan?
All right, the current positions we have right now. We've got an April Nicola play, not looking good, but a little bit of time. WB has bounced back. It's back to near break even on that stock now that it's held at 50 support. If we look out to May, we've got American Airlines. We got this close to taking 100% profit on the second half after banking 50% on the first, but it's since backed off a bit. But again, some time there to go. And lastly, we've got Verizon call for June, 3 months of time, up near that 57.5, looking for a big breakout there.
You have a spring stock for your trade trigger this week.
All right, today's trade trigger, build it back buy. We're looking at Lumber Liquidators. Now, this is a stock that rallied 500% off its April low. Now, it is 30% off that last top, so we're seeing a bit of a pullback and a momentum play. This stock is traded between 5 and 35. So that puts that super support point at $20. We're looking at the May $20 LL call. Now this is a deep in the money option. It's got about an 80% delta. So it's about $6 in the money, trading for around 7 or so. So it's got $1 of time value with 2 months for good things to happen. Now, this is a stock, let's remember way back when, that it highs up at 120. So there's a lot of upside with a gap up at 45 to be filled. So we'll see where we can go from here.
What are your trading day takeaways, Alan?
Trading takeaway number 1. The March low holds. So the NDX, which is the NASDAQ top 100 stocks, it's seen some higher closes since we had that low and a higher close reversal on March the 5th. So it's built on this bottom, which is very, very bullish. So we'll see if we can hold back above this 1300 midpoint of this drop from the top. Number 2, A-game. Amazon and Apple are still more than 10% off their highs. So I can view that as a positive. When they start to play ball, we could see the whole market see some momentum. And number 3, tech is turning. We've seen a 1,700 point drop from the top. And if we can get a full V recovery, that targets 15,500 in the NDX, which is nearly 20% above where we are now.
Have a great trading day. Thank you, Alan.
Thank you.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.